Yes! Hey guys, it's King Jason. I'm at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. I have $800 in free play and $1,000 in holiday cash. You know, at Cosmo, usually from June on, you can earn free money for your normal play. So this is gonna be a big free play challenge. Let's see how we do. All right, first game in the challenge is Outback Bucks. So I put $100 cash in. I'm gonna take a 960 bet. It's the second highest bet. So I have at least 40 or so bets. This is one of my favorite games. I just need 5 of those amounts. A roux to come out for the free games. I don't think we won anything yet. Come on, Rue. I believe in you. Almost. We still have like 275. I'm only gonna risk 400 on this. Come on. First game of the trip. I'm feeling lucky. Hey, there's some of those. Come on, Brew. Yeah, is that an iguana? 16 bucks? Maybe warming up slightly. Looks like 585 left, so I have about 185 left to see what we can do. Surely you have a roux in there for me. What do I have left? I have 540 left. We need a roux. All right, 7 spins left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Sometimes if you speed it up, I hope it goes. Last spin. Ah, bummer. So just over $400 in free play, netted $70. Horrific. That's Outback Bucks. All right, next game in the challenge is Ultimate Firelink. So I still have about $400 in free play left. So I'm gonna take a $10 bet. That gives us at least 40 tries. Of course, we just want 4 fireballs. Ooh, there's 32 bucks. need 4 of you beautiful fireballs, please. Do I have full volume? Oh, that could be it. Jason's here. There's $50. That's great. Thank you. Oh, I won 4 fireballs. One more. Ah. How much do we have left? Ay, ay, ay. $86. We got basically 9 more spins. Oh no, 2 more spins. Last spin already. 1 more spin. Come on. Oh no. So I think we made about 100 and about 100. Ah, that's fire lane. All right, last game in the challenge is Lightning Lane, high limit. So I put $1,050 holiday cash in the game. So I'm going to take a $25 bet. I have at least 42 chances. Yay, we got a profit on that one. Sick. One more. Come on, we need something good to happen in this challenge. There's a little profit. All right, we're about halfway through-ish. You can do one more. Block me, lanterns. All right, we need something good. Let's go. I think we're going for broke on this one. When can we get a row of you, genie guy? nice person machines. Come on. It's not even a big major on this one. I think it would be a little bit nice. Not even flirting. Last spin before my own 100 I put in. Alright, we got 2 more tries before we're in the hole. Alright, I'm down to the last 100. 4 chances. And this is not free play. Woo! 72. Thank you. Come on! Bonus. One more! Yes, we finally got it. Alright, we only need about 1,800 back. Oh, let's go left. Hold and spin. Oh, 9 and 100. That could do something. Alright, we need a miracle here. Oh no, don't waste them. $265? Okay, more. Oh, we just need one good hit. More. Woo, 500. Last spin. 521. Hey, at least we didn't end this video without a bonus. Alright, I'm gonna just take a couple more spins. Last spin. Alright. So we had 800 free play, 1,050 in free money. I'm ending with 416. Yeah, that's a pitiful conversion, but it was fun. Thank you so much. That's Lightningly.